And so that's why it's so important to reimagine our temperaments, to not have the burden of these self-limiting beliefs. Just like I think it is really hurting people when we say technology is addicting us. Come on. An addiction is a pathology. Okay. To say that everyone is addicted to social media and computers and video games, give me a break. It is so not true. It is disrespectful to people who actually suffer from the pathology of addiction, the real disease of addiction, to say that you like checking Facebook, that's suddenly become an addiction. Come on. Why do we do that? We like calling it an addiction because when there's an addiction, there's a pusher, there's a dealer, there's someone doing it to me. I'm a puppet on a string. Well, there's nothing I can do about it. So why even try? As opposed to calling it what it really is, which is a distraction. But when you call it a distraction, oh, crap, now I got to do something about it? That's no fun. So it's very important that we use these words responsibly.